This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a terrific Lakeview East location just west of Lakeshore Drive and just east of Broadway to tour one of the apartments at Grace Shores. I'm at apartment 433, a studio that looks out over Grace Street into the treetops. Turning for a look at a through-the-wall air conditioning unit. There's oak flooring throughout the apartment. Ceiling fan. Heading toward the kitchen. You have an efficient one-wall kitchen. Espresso tone cabinetry. There's a stainless steel appliance package that includes a 4-burner gas range, a range hood, built-in microwave, dishwasher. You have granite counters, stainless steel undermount sink, a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Looking at 2 closets, one off to my right, the entry door, and another closet as I head into the bath. Bath is white with gray tile, has a pedestal sink, wall-mounted medicine cabinet for storage, and tile that extends up to the ceiling and the tub surround. It's an attractive studio in a terrific location. Building has a fitness room, parking, which is unusual in Lakeview. Definitely want to have Grace Shores on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.